Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to test out this Robert Sobe spiral tool. I just recently purchased. I've never used it, so this video is like together we see how it works and test out different angles so we can use it on the future project. I've got a project coming up. It's a big one. Not that it's too complicated, but I want to see if I could use this on that, because I'm iffy about it, because I don't have any experience with this tool. That's why I postponed that project. Do a couple of test this out, get familiar with it, and then decide if I'm going to use it. But we will definitely use on other projects though, if I don't decide. So it comes with two wheels. One has bigger teeth, so I guess it would be used for like spirals, bigger spirals. There is a texturing wheel for it, which it doesn't come with the pack. I have to get that separately. I just realized that there is a texturing wheel to it, so it's just spiral, but we'll see how it works. I guess different angles will give smaller spirals, and at the side would give you a continuous spiral. So I'm just gonna go with the slight angle to the 1 o'clock, and see what that gives. I'm just gonna slow down the lathe. I'll just zoom in for you guys. Not bad, I guess. Also, the reason I haven't got a bigger piece like a pine or something to do, because I won't be turning pines. I want to test on, this is English U. I want to test on something that I know I would be using it. There's no point me testing and on a softwood. This is technically softwood, but it's more dense towards hardwood, so it's good to practice on this, I guess. I'm going to change the angle. Let's go this way. 11 o'clock. I like that angle better. This gave us much more crisp cuts than these. There is like a tiny bit of lines on this next to the other one, so that was better. Let's go a bit more angled. Oh yeah. that's good, I guess. But with like two lines capturing it, I think looks better. You know, on the other videos I've watched, I watched some videos from Robert, so we demonstrating this, so I got a bit of idea what's it's about. So I'm gonna now change this to the other wheel and clean this up, and we see how that goes. Okay, I got the other wheel on, so let's test this one. Let's see what this one would give. I'm gonna go and only touch on this corner edge. So I'm gonna go at an angle. It's different, but it's not, I don't think it's the right angle for it. Maybe that texturing tool, which the both corners are, I think, sharp like that instead of this flat. So now I think it's not for that type of spiral, but it's just too messy. It doesn't feel right. So guys, don't hate me for this, you know, I'm just testing, but I won't know until I test. So that's much better. So we shouldn't just cut with the edge because it's not meant to do that. It's just spiraling, so it's just gonna tear the wood. Let's do one here, but I guess angled maybe towards me. The angle made it a less spirals. I like that. No, sometimes you might not want to have too many of them, you know. So okay, let's try to do a pattern now with little V grooves to make it look nice, you know. That's better. I think with the lines it makes it better. What I could do on my real project, when I put the grooves in, I could maybe take it to the next level, you know, inlay a brass in these two lines. but I gotta be real careful with these grooves because I can't sand these down and the CA would go on top of them, definitely would go on top. So I'd have to finish the piece, do it on a piece that I want to finish it with CA. Yeah, otherwise it's just not possible. Or I inlay it first, sand it down to the bare wood in between the inlays, and then go with the texturing tool in between. It's real hard though to get it right. I have to practice a lot to get it right in between and not damage the inlays, the brass or copper inlay. Yeah. Okay, let's try some on the end grain. Alright guys, I've got the finer wheel on at the moment. Let's see what we get. I'll try this one. There is a spiral, but it's not that great. I'll just clean that up. That's better. That's much better. But of course it can be better than that, so I'll just tilt it a bit more and see what we get. A bit better, I guess, but there are lines that shouldn't be there, that is cutting through the finer ones, you know, the ones that detailing. It's just a tiny bit of line cutting it through, so I think that's because of the vibrations, you know, the tool going up and down. So I gotta have a really steady hand, keep it steady to get a better result, I guess. So let's try again. With the same angle. A bit different, and I know why it went different, because I struggled in the middle and it made it round, and then after that I pushed it aside because the center is a bit tricky. It's a dead center, you know, it's not spinning as fast as the outer diameter, so it's a bit tricky. Maybe you gotta have a different angle in the middle and then tilt it to where you want. I'm not sure, you know. Okay, let's try again. Okay, this time let's do different shape right in the middle and then change the angle to where we want. I think that's the best one I've got so far. Much more details, you can see it better, I guess. Yeah, I think that turned out better. I guess you could technically mark the way you had it, like draw it with a Sharpie, and then you can always have this on the top and bring it to that line. That would work, I guess, you know, when you want to reproduce, you know, every time when you got two different textures and you want to switch between them, so you could mark here and do that, I guess. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you guys too much, you know, I just wanted to show you guys some of my practicing, and maybe you guys want to do the same, you know, practice and use more detailing on your pieces. Thank you all for watching. I hope I haven't wasted your time with doing this. It's just I wanted to test before I do another project and use this. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comments below and like and share the videos. I have many other videos that you could watch. I've done many bowls, many lidded boxes. So thank you all that watches them. I know a lot of you who are regular and do watch my video. I just want to say thank you and for your support. I've had many private emails thanking for the videos. It's all my pleasure, you know. I do it because I like to do woodturning and share it. I guess leave something behind on the internet. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Take care, guys.